In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators in Google Forms. If you're working on a project requiring input from multiple team members, knowing how to share your Google Forms effectively is crucial. Let's dive into it. First, start by opening up Google Forms. For this example, we already have a quiz form set up, but these steps will apply to any form you create. Once you have your form open, ensure it's titled appropriately. You'll find the title at the top of the form. For our demonstration, we'll call it Quiz. Giving your form a clear, descriptive name is important as it helps collaborators immediately understand its purpose. Next, to enable collaboration, you need to locate the Share icon. It's positioned at the top right corner of the Google Forms interface. Clicking this icon opens up the sharing options. This is your gateway to inviting team members to collaborate on the form. Once you've clicked on the Share icon, you'll see a field where you can type in the email addresses of the people you want to collaborate with. To do this effectively, make sure you have the correct emails of your collaborators beforehand. For illustration purposes, we'll use a sample email here, but you'll be inputting the actual addresses of your team members or colleagues. After entering all the necessary email addresses, the next step is to grant appropriate permissions to each collaborator. Directly next to each email entry, there is a drop-down menu. Click this drop-down to reveal permission options. You'll see options like Viewer, Commenter, and Editor. For this process, click on Editor, as this provides your collaborators with full editing access, allowing them to contribute actively to the form's content. With your collaborators added and the permissions set, you're almost done. The final step is to hit the Send button, which you'll find on the dialog box's interface. Clicking Send will dispatch invitations to the listed email addresses, enabling recipients to access and start working on your form right away. And that's it. You've successfully added collaborators to your Google form, enabling teamwork and shared responsibility for the content. Remember, collaboration in Google Forms is not just about adding names. It's about creating an environment where ideas can be shared and refined collectively. So, keep this process in mind whenever you're working with a team to make the most out of Google Forms' collaborative features. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in your future projects.